I'm Amy.
And I'm Heath.
Welcome to Growing My Veggie Garden.
Welcome to Growing My Veggie Garden. We are doing a vlog about the patch we have in our community garden. Today, we're celebrating because we harvest our vegetables for the first time since we started our patch. We invited our friends, the Fogelmans, to help us with the task. Let's see what they found in our garden.
Today is a special day because after 4 months, we finally get to harvest the veggies in the garden.
What type of vegetables do you see here in the garden?
I see radishes. And what are these little purple things?
These are turnips, I believe. We've got a little tiny one there. We got a couple nice big fat ones there, purple. And the long red radishes, which are different than the radishes that I see in the grocery store, which are much smaller and round. So I guess radishes come in lots of different shapes.
What can we pick?
Well, I think we gotta look for things that are nice and big and look fully ripe before we pick.
Like this?
That looks perfect. I think that radish is ready to go.
How do I pick it?
Just get in and right up near the leaves, start to pull gently back and forth and pull.
Very cool.
And it does look very different than the ones from the grocery store. They're usually round.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Can I pick the others?
So
I think so.
maybe one more. Whoa! Oh, that came out really easy, didn't it?
And then just tap it.
Yeah, and get
Save all that good soil.
That's a
Look
good.
at this one.
That's a good start for
Wow.
a salad.
The long scarlet radish is a great root vegetable. They're an excellent addition to our food plan, and they're packed with antioxidants and minerals that help our bodies stay healthy. For example, radishes help lowering blood sugar levels. Another benefit of radishes is that they help reduce the risk of chronic disease like diabetes, high cholesterol, heart disease, and digestive diseases. They also help in the prevention of cancer and gallstones. Radishes are a wonderful addition to salads and soups. The only objection that some people may have is that radishes have a spicy flavor that some people may find too hot. But mixing small quantities to our food may prove to be an excellent addition to our dishes.
Here, take a smell. I think that might help. Ooh. Smells a little bit like a pickle.
That is dill. Dill is an herb, and you can use it to season.
Dill pickles.
Oh, there you go.
We've got more turnips here.
What's this?
That's actually collard greens. Looks like some little bugs have been enjoying them.
These look like green beans.
I think they are. They're a little past being green, but you can even see the lumps of the beans inside there. I used to eat those right off the plant when my dad grew gardens when we were little, after I weeded all the gardens. That was fun. What about this one? This is something I know you like.
I think that's onion.
I think it is too.
think you're
You've
right.
got your onions underneath the ground, but this I've never seen. It's got such a cool little flower bundle on the end there.
Wow, good seeds from that.
Yep. You have onions for the rest of your life with those seeds. Do you know what that is?
No.
This is one I know you're going to love, even though I don't particularly care for them. You like them a lot. What do you think?
Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I think I know what it is.
What is it?
It smells like onions.
Ooh,
You're
yes
right.
it does. That's it.
Can I pick them?
I think so. Probably the same way you did the radishes. Pull and wiggle a little bit.
This one's tough.
Whoa.
Look at him.
So these are more like your scallion type onions, where you're going to chop them into little rounds instead of the big fat onions that you see a lot of times in the grocery store.
Whoa.
You can smell them as they come out of the ground. So fragrant.
Yep.
Ooh, they
One.
smell good.
Two. We've got some small ones over there, so just grab the big ones. Nice.
Wow.
3. Last one.
Green onions are a root vegetable used all over the world, and their benefits to our health are really great because onions are full of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. They're low in calories and bring a lot of benefits to our health because they contain cancer-fighting compounds. They also have antibacterial properties and help control the sugar levels in our blood. In moderation, they're an excellent addition to our food because eating too many onions may cause gas, bloating, and heartburn. It looks like our gardener friends, the Fogelmans, had such a good time in our patch. There are so many vegetables and herbs still waiting to be discovered, and we want to share it all with you. We ran out of time today, but please come back next time when we will again have guest gardeners to help us pick the veggies. Thank you for tuning in, and it's so fun to have you here in our patch. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time. Bye.